Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Most people solve this question like 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then again 8 minus 8 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then E means second priority is exponent, then third priority is M means multiplication and D means division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. First priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 8 minus 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64 minus 8. Okay. Now here only subtraction is left. Here one subtraction and here is second subtraction. Okay. So both have equal priority, so we have to solve it's from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 8 minus 64 is equal to minus 56 minus 8. So now minus 56 minus 8 is equal to minus 64. So the correct answer is minus 64. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.